guys, how are you? Well, it's day 5 and I've been doing the cream part now. Okay, I've got up to there, so that gives you an idea. I'm still using the old finesse 2 3M, but I have got some actually. That's what I'm using at the moment, and I say at the moment because Linda Luz and I went away to the mainland for a week's break really. Some of you, if you're subscribers, you'll see that I've put some footage of our trip on the mainland on my channel. Anyway, the exciting news is that a luxury super yacht arrived on the island of Poros, where Linda Luz and I were walking along quite merrily. And anyway, I had the cheek and the nerve, I had to build it up a little bit, but the owner, the billionaire owner, walked off the super yacht and sat down on a park bench on his phone. Anyway, I had the nerve to go up and ask him. Linda says, no, please don't, but I did. I thought, well, if you don't ask, you don't get. So I went up and asked the billionaire owner what wax he uses for his boat or for his luxury yacht, and he told me in quite some detail actually. So I'm going to share that with you because I've now ordered some. So if you're a subscriber, wait for the next video after this one, because on there will be the product that he uses for his super yacht, and I will leave a bit of footage of his super yacht on this video so you can see what's going to be coming next. So I've ordered some. The unfortunate thing, or fortunate, depends, we won't know until we find out, but the day before I ordered some 3M marine wax, which is the next session I'm going to be doing on the wax side. So not only am I getting this special super yacht stuff that the billionaire owner uses, which was a credit to him, because he actually knew what it was. A lot of billionaires, I would have thought, would just leave it to his crew and let them get on with it. Anyway, so not only have I got what the billionaire uses, and I'll show you that in the next video, but I'll also get the 3M wax as well. So what I'm going to do, yep, you've got it, I'm going to do a video of a comparison of the 3M wax. I'm going to do a 2-foot square on this boat, and then I'm going to do a 2-foot square of the special wax that this billionaire. I mean, at the end of the day, if money is not even an issue, and you can afford the best wax possible for your luxury yacht, and incidentally he rents it out at 63,000 euros a week. All right, yeah, you heard me right, 63,000 euros a week. All right, he can choose and buy any product he wants, but he uses what I'm going to be showing you in this next video. All right, so keep tuned. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much for subscribing and coming on board. If you're not a subscriber yet, come on board, because it's going to be well worth seeing. So alright, so something a bit special for you people out there that are in the boating world and want to know what super yachts use wax wise. Alright, so catch you later. Rock and roll. So guys, right, this is the finish the 3M finishing finesse 2 finishing material. Alright, I'll give you an idea. That's that. See? That's just on that cream side there, just the cream side. And the bit that you see up there is the bit that's not been done. I don't know whether the camera's picking up the muck and the dirt, but that's not been done. Whereas this side has. So let me show you this. This side's all been done. I've done all the top there, and up there, look. So far the 3M finishing finesse 2 has been good. Certainly produced results, but let's see what happens when we get the super yacht stuff. Oh yes, like I say, it's going to be in the next video, so don't forget to keep an eye out for that, and any subscribers, obviously you'll get it automatically sent to you, so that's worthwhile subscribing for, surely. Yes, anyway, back to work, rock and roll. Right then guys, well, we've got going to try something new now, and I've never done these stainless steel handrails, and this is a product called Stayclean. Yes, you can see it, and this is what it says: apply Stayclean with a wet sponge. That's a wet sponge. Wash the item and then dry it with a rag. Done. But it's not said anything about putting this on it. Right. Stayclean is a powerful cleaner protector and leaves a high gloss finish without any buffing. Used on all metals, stainless steel, perfect for RVs. Oh, it says fiberglass as well. And boats. So here we go. Let's give it a try, guys. Stayclean. Wash with, apply, I beg your pardon, apply Stayclean with a wet sponge. So let's try a bit. There's your wet sponge, and here's your Stayclean. Right, let's see how we go. We'll put a bit in the middle like that. It doesn't say how much it is, how much you put on. How much was this, Paul?
23 euros.
23
so
euros.
use sparingly.
So this is about €3 worth. Right, here we go. Now let's show these beautiful people the bits. The area we're going to do is this grubby bit. Now this has not been touched for a year, pretty much. In fact, it's never been wiped, to be honest with you. Looks like the Stayclean has fell off the sponge. And now I've got the cleanest Adidas trainers going. Can I have the product again, please? Once again, Stayclean, guys. So let's start again. That's €3 on the floor. Right. So there we are. And all it says is you wipe it on.
And wipe it off.
And it rinses off. And hopefully it won't leave a stain all over my boat. So this is the bit we're doing. Wish me luck. Well, I think it's really worked. Shit, look at that. Now let's get the dry rag, which we do have here. Oh my god. How cool is that, guys? Let's just dry it once more. Third time lucky. Let's check it out. That's not bad at all, is it?
That's brilliant.
That is not bad.
That's brilliant.
At all, guys. That's not bad at all. What do you reckon? Hey, first time I've ever used it, and it's on camera. Stayclean.
It's upside down.
A product you need.
It's upside down.
No, it's not. Saying it's upside down. That's pretty impressive, Paul, isn't it?
That's not bad. Right, I'm going to go and try a little bit on mine.
Yeah, why not? What's she like? She wants rubber gloves. Right, watch this, Jill. You're going to see a miracle before your eyes. This is Paul's boat, by the way. Show the beautiful people your boat, mate. I know the subscribers, of which I've got 480 odd now, which is great. They've seen your boat in action. They'll be seeing it this summer as well, guys. Right, we'll put a bit more of this on then. Another squirt.
Another €3.
Another €3. Hold that, Julian, please, my little love. Right, ready to go? Let's go.
You missed a bit.
No, that's actually where it's gone porous.
Oh.
But this is the amazing thing, Joe. Watch this baby. 1, 2, Hooray.
Wow. Goodness me.
How cool is that?
That is amazing. It's not magic. It is.
Guys, if you want to really see a really bad rusty bit, check the state of that out. And now we're going to try this wonder product called Stayclean. Let's move that bug first before it gets fried alive. So we're going to give that a whirl. Let's see how we do. Well, you want it in the middle really, Paul? Well, you know, it's alright. Let's try it. Give it a whirl. Oh, yes. Yes. Mm. Yeah. Yes, it's cleaning up. It might need another.
Yeah.
You were very cautious with it. You probably need to slap a bit more on. But yeah, it's coming up, coming up. You know when I said a bit? Hey, hey, let's get the dry rag. You're seeing this live, guys, live.
It's got a lot of it off.
It has got a lot of it off, yeah. Yes. You do the shake and vac, you put the freshness back. That's pretty impressive, isn't it?
It's not bad, is it?
No, that's a lot better than what it was. If you look back, guys, in the video of what it looked like before, then you'll see just how well that's done. So there you go, chaps, there you go, another bloody star product, yes. There we go, guys, that's that rail done. There we are, that's about that. Pretty good, eh? Rock and roll. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you another day. Rock and roll. Yes, yes. Rock and roll!